Hey guys, welcome back. So, on today's journey, I will be shedding some light on insurance jargons. So, we purchase car insurance because it's necessary to have, but truth be told, most of us aren't keen as to what coverages we carry on that policy until something happens and we need to use it or make a claim. Now, typically, insurance is broken down into three categories. We have the third party coverage, coverage for yourself and your passengers, and coverage for your vehicle. Now, depending on your location, some of these coverages may vary, but I will be discussing the foundational coverages, pretty much the ones you'll see and hear about more often. Let's take a look at the third party coverage of bodily injury and property damage liability. This covers someone else if you cause an accident with them. This can be purchased as a split limit or combined single limit. This is how the numbers will appear on your policy if you had purchased the split limit. First two numbers are for bodily injury and the third is for the property damage. This means that if you cause an accident with someone, your insurance company will pay up to the limit that you choose towards injuries sustained by one person. In this case, it will be $10,000. Per accident, your insurance company will pay up to the $20,000 towards injuries sustained in that given accident. Property damage, your insurance company will pay up to the limit you choose towards damages you cause to someone else's car or property. In this case, 10,000 is the number that we're using. Let's hop on over to the second category, which is for you and your passengers. Here we will be discussing uninsured and underinsured motorist bodily injury and personal injury protection. Uninsured motorist bodily injury pays towards medical for you and your passengers if you are in an accident that is caused by someone who has no insurance. Underinsured motorist bodily injury is similar to the uninsured motorist, except that the responsible party has insurance, but it is not enough to cover the injuries. Personal injury protection pays towards medical for you and your passengers, whether you are at fault or not at fault in that accident. This coverage gives the option of basic or extended. You may include or exclude certain family members in your home. It may cover lost wages if you are unable to work due to injuries sustained in an auto accident. You do have an option to select a deductible. Lots and lots of selections for this particular coverage, guys, so choose wisely. Let's stick a pin here for a few seconds and discuss stacked and non-stacked or unstacked. So stacked combines the uninsured or underinsured motorist bodily injury coverages for multiple vehicles on your policy in order to increase the maximum your insurer will pay for a claim. So example I have listed here, I have a Toyota and a Kia. Your per person is $10,000 and the per accident is $20,000. When it is stacked, your per person increases to $20,000. Your per accident, $40,000. Whilst for unstacked, it remains the same. So it is a per vehicle per policy scenario. The third category is for your vehicle. So we will be discussing comprehensive and collision coverages. But before we jump into it, let's address the elephant in the room, the terminology of full coverage. Now, this is a vague terminology which means different things to different people. Some individuals think that they are protected or will be covered regardless of whatever circumstances may arise. In actuality, it simply means you have comprehensive and collision coverages included in your policy. Comprehensive covers repairs to your vehicle if it is damaged due to fire, theft, vandalism, wind, storm, hail, if you hit an animal, whilst collision covers repairs to the vehicle, whether you are at fault or not at fault, if you collide with another vehicle, a property, or hit an object other than an animal. Comprehensive and collision are necessary, especially if your vehicle is leased or financed. If you are uncertain or need clarification on what your auto insurance policy entails, call or visit your insurance agent immediately.
Don't wait until it's too late.
Thank you guys for coming along on today's journey. Be sure to join me on the next trail. Walk good.